Hey, what's up guys? Jonathan Seller here. As some of you guys know, I use Kajabi for my courses, for my landing pages. I love everything about Kajabi. They sent me a shirt, and so I figured I'd just come on here and tell you a little bit about why I chose to use Kajabi over ClickFunnels and other things like that. Kajabi's great because it's an all-in-one place where you can create landing pages and courses. So you might be starting out thinking, I might do a course one day, but I'm not quite sure yet. That's why it's great, because you can use their landing pages. Their landing pages are super easy. I've created multiple sites. One of my websites is gramcred.com. I run a digital marketing agency out of Detroit, and so one of the products that we offer our clients is automation on Instagram, so that we grow their Instagram a lot faster than if they're just left to their own vices, their own tactics. We provide that for them. And so I created this whole web page right off Kajabi. It only took me like 24 hours to create the web page, and then I launched it. And it was so cool because whether you do paid ads or whether you're just DMing people and telling them about what you're doing, you can send them to a professional landing page. And Kajabi is super awesome. They have PayPal, Stripe. You can use it to check out customers on your site hassle-free. And it's cool because the dashboard, you can see how many people have signed up in your opt-in, how many people want an email, how many people have signed up for your course or for your product. So I used to run a YouTube channel called The Mattress Guy, and I've sold over 6 figures worth of profits. I've sold a couple $1 million worth of products online, all using Kajabi. And so I highly recommend it. One of the things they're doing right now is anyone that purchases Kajabi using one of our affiliate links, we get a kickback. And so with me being an entrepreneur and quitting my job last month, I would really appreciate it. And if you do use my coupon code and purchase Kajabi through my link, let me know. I always like to give back to those that are helping me out. So I couldn't recommend Kajabi any more than I'm doing right now. So please, if you have any questions, put a comment, and more videos like this are going to be coming out, so you can subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff that the internet asks you to do. But this is an honest review of Kajabi, and I highly recommend it. I think what they've got coming in 2019 is really, really exciting. So I've got my shirt, I'm representing Kajabi. Go sign up right now and get started growing your influence online.